So in this problem, we're told that the function f is defined by a polynomial. Some values of x and f of x are shown in the table above. Which of the following must be a factor of f of x? And so we're given this table, so let's find out what they're asking specifically. So they say, which of the following must be a factor of f of x? So let's understand what a factor is. We factor something when we're trying to find the value of our function when it's equal to 0. So a factor would be when you have x minus the value and the x value when it equals 0. So that's when we use it. So let's think about this. So a factor is when f of x is equal to 0. So we see that it only equals 0 for this one at x equals 4. So we have a factor at x equals 4. And so what we want to do is find an equation, right, for when it equals 0. So if we do x minus 4, if we plug in our x value, we're getting it equal to 0, right? So the factor would become x minus 4. And so if we look at our answers, C is going to be the only one that makes sense here, right? Because all these other ones, they're not when it equals 0. So yeah, C is going to be your only answer. And so the key takeaway from this problem is what a factor is. And it's basically an equation when you're trying to find, or the x value when you try and find when x equals, or f of x equals 0. And so yeah, the answer to this problem is going to be C.